Eating the world's hottest pepper? Ew!
Hard as a rock. How the I'm supposed to bite this?
Bro, ew. Don't ever look down towards the camera again, bro.
How do I bite this?
Why is he even doing this? Like, for what?
Soak it in water? What the hard is
Never look down towards the camera again, bro. Please don't do it. Oh my god, I see his big ass
Hello?
I see his big ass V, bro.
Wait, will it fuck it up if I put water on it or no?
Do you see that V?
Will it fuck it up if I put water on it?
Cock vein. No, dead ass though. That looks like the vein on my dick.
Yeah? Okay, I'm gonna just try to bite it, bro. I'm gonna just try to bite it.
Wow, he's really about to bite it. Wow, he really about to do it.
You're making excuses? Bitch ass nigga, do you hear this? Hold on, I gotta demonstrate again, nigga. Listen to this. I'm squeezing this shit as hard as I can. This shit is rock. Like what?
Oh no. Oh,
ready?
No,
set.
Oh no, bro. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my god, don't. Oh my. Nah, he didn't do it. He didn't do it. He cheated. He cheated. Oh my.
Oh my. Fuck, it's done. This always, why do I? Oh fuck. 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 Oh fuck.
Yo.
Oh, fuck.
Ew.
Hold on.
Don't look down. Ew. Ew. He's barking. Oh nah. Stop.
Oh my god. 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 Oh my.
Oh!
Hold on. I need to wash my
Wait,
face.
this is disgusting.
Hold on, I need to wash my face.
Oh my god, his heart rate, bro. This shit went up 30. Do that for 6,500 subs? See. Ew! He's fucking drooling. Ew! Get on your knees, good boy. Oh my.
Why? Wait, it's getting worse.
No shit, buddy.
Nigga, it's getting worse.
Drink milk or some shit, dog. Is he doing a challenge?
Nigga, it's getting worse, bro. Nigga,
is that sweat or did he put water on his face? Ew. Bro, ew, bro. Bro, Yusuf. Dude, he keeps looking down and shit. Oh my god, he grew an extra vein after eating that fucking
Why did I do
pepper,
this,
bro? He grew an extra fucking vein. This shit gave him an extra. Why is he posing? Holy shit, the V grew! Y'all see that shit went to his hairline now.
Yo, how long can I take milk? Can I take milk? Can I take milk? Can I take?
This chat saying V load. Yo. Look, bro, that shit upgraded.
Bread? Dude, it's not stopping though. What can I put in my mouth? Nigga, it's not stopping, bro.
Pause, bro. Oh my goodness.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Don't touch her eyes, dumb fuck.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro, look at the... Yo, the V went to his hairline. That shit fucking enhanced.
I'm drinking.
The pepper enhanced the V in his forehead.
Dude, my head is burning.
Wait, then it just disappears.
Bro. Dude, look at my fucking shit, bro.
Ew. I can see every fucking...
Oh my god. Oh my fucking
bro,
god, bro.
Zoom out, man. Fuck. Bro, put a fucking hat back on, please. Look at that shit. Every time he looks down, it's just like, bro.
Bro, that's not doing shit, bro.
Wow. He's really Somalian.
I'm gonna throw up. I'm gonna fucking throw up. I'm gonna throw up.
Alright, well, shit. Okay. Chad, should I do this for 10k subs? 10k? Nah. This some crazy ass shit. This is like the hardest pepper. Shit, is this harder than chip? I'll do a 10k subs, bro. 7k, yo. I'll do that 10k, bro, because this is some crazy ass shit, man. And I'll actually swallow it, bro. If I don't swallow it, I'll do like a punishment. Cause he didn't even fucking. My mouse just died, bro. Did my bro. Fuck. My mouse really just died? Bro. Fuck. We stuck watching Yusuf? Fuck! Get away! Move! Fuck. How do I plug this shit here? I need to fucking plug this shit in. Hold on, bro. We're back. Control. I'm going fast. I'm going fast. I'm sorry, y'all. Hold on. Put my mouse in. Oh my god, bro. What is he doing? Okay, got it. Plug my mouse in. Hurry. Alright, I'm done. I plugged it in.
Allah. You want one? Fuck no.
You are fucking disgusting. Alright, now I'm out this hoe.